Welcome back to another exploration on modal verbs. In our last video, we had discussed can. Today, we are going to look at the modal verb could. Is it simply the past form of can, or does it have more layers attached to it? Let us find out its usage in the English language. So, let's start. Now, the modal auxiliary could can also be used as a past form of can, that is in the indirect speech. For example, if you have a sentence, he said, I can solve the problem, and when we change it to its indirect form, we will write, he said that he could solve the problem, right? So it can be used as the past form of can in indirect speech. However, it has other usages as well. It is used to indicate a form of ability that one had in the past. I could swim across the river when I was young. So perhaps he doesn't possess that ability now, but it was a past ability that he was able to do that when he was young. Let us look at another example. Till 1990, I could read a book without glasses. So here it shows that it is a past ability. So till 1990, this person could read the book or read anything without glasses, but at present perhaps he cannot. So it is a past ability. Let us move on to the next one. Could can also be used to seek permission in the same way as we had seen in case of can, but it sounds more polite. For example, could I use your phone? Now, could can also be used to indicate possibility. This road could be blocked. So, like can, here we find a similarity between can and could, because here could is used exactly like can was used, but in a different form, in the past form. It shows that there is a possibility that in present or in future, this particular road could be blocked. Another very important usage of could is that in conditional sentences, that is, the sentences that express a condition, could can be used to express possibility. For example, if I had the money, I could buy the house. So, if indicates that it is a conditional sentence, and here possibility is shown with the help of could. If I had money, I could buy the house. I could have helped him if he had asked me. So, in a conditional sentence, we find the usage of could. Now, let us come to the final usage of could. It is used to express a polite request in the form of a question. For example, could you wait for a minute? So, if you have found this little snippet of grammar helpful, and if you wish to explore more and in detail you want to know about the modal verbs, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.